Man, the amount of nostalgia at this location that we're doing today. So all week long, we are doing the Credit Union 1 Amphitheatre in Tinley Park, Illinois. I've been coming here for concerts for probably the last 30 years. So this place is absolutely awesome. Right now, we are up here in one of their Sky Suites. This is a 4-level the pavilion. Also has the lawn area. We're going to show you around the whole facility real quick. Lawn area, everything behind us. You have also your seating down below. This site is absolutely crucial. It's the first one we've done with the multi-tiers and levels for all the suites and boxes and stuff like that. So we're super excited for this one. It's something we have not done yet. It's going to take a lot of organization and efficiency when not only doing the installation, but also the configuring behind the scenes for all their kitchen display screens, their printers, their handhelds. There is a lot going on with this one, more than we've ever seen, but it's also the largest install F3 has done since it started. It's about 500 pieces of equipment, just shy of that. So we have 4 days of doing this. On the 5th day, we're going to do a walkthrough with corporate and all the other entities involved with the installation process, and hopefully have a great turnout for this entire week. So we are super excited. So we'll give you guys more information as we go along.
So depending on the layout and the workspace that we do have available at some of these venues, you could be anywhere from a small networking closet to having the full run of the restaurant. At some of these larger venues and kiosks, we have to make do with what we have. It's a lot of extension cords, small makeshift tables, and then pretty much utilizing the space around us whilst other vendors and everything else is coming in behind us in between, moving their stuff in and out. So we always have to be cautious of how we are setting up, because we always have to be able to move in an instant notice. And we also have to make sure that we keep ourselves very nice and organized, because if not, we're just gonna have stuff piling up in all kinds of places, and it takes an entire day just to clean up after ourselves. So we clean up as we go, we organize as we go, and make sure that for each different venue, establishments, location, wherever these devices are going to be pretty much living, we have a plan in place for that. I can configure 4 devices, then I'm going to go bring those to the bar. I'm going to have 18 of these handhelds, I'm going to bring them up to the VIP suites. So that's always important, especially when coming up with a plan on how we're going to execute most of the sites that we do. In this instance, you can see as I get just pretty much going around, ripping off all the front labels, and then I'll do the back parts where the guest-facing display is. Keeping things from not getting damaged, still keeping things organized. How many counts that we needed for each and every location. On top of all that, we also want to make sure that when we are doing these installations, that most of the time there can be conflicts with like internet and stuff like that. So we want to make sure that we have enough data and power and all of that to, at least suffice for these amount of devices that we have here. At this particular location, we did run into, when we tried doing 25 or 30 of the main stations, we couldn't get the updates to download because there wasn't enough speed. So that did prove a little bit troublesome for this installation. So that's why we only did so many at a time. Then we'd walk them out to their location where they're going to live permanently, get them plugged into power, make sure the power works, make sure the Wi-Fi signal is good at all of those locations. And then we are able to proceed forward and move on to the next kiosk or a different location, maybe the food trucks and stuff like that. You do see back here, they lived in the back, like entryway and stuff like that to the main stage, but then they were placed all throughout the venue when it comes time for the concerts.
As you can see, it's not as much of a straight walkway in the middle. There are kiosks everywhere. They're not the freestanding, these ones are permanent. So this is going to be an absolutely awesome install. We are super excited for this one.
With most of the older point of sales, they required a lot more cabling just to provide internet and power to each station. A lot of the newer point of sales these days is pretty much just a single cable for power and a single cable for Ethernet, unless it is one of those ones that can perform solely on Wi-Fi, which is what we actually have here for this venue, which is actually super exciting because there's no printers. It's super quick service. Customers come up, order, any and all receipts are either texted or emailed it, or they choose for no receipt. Also, another thing about this is when we're going around and we're doing most of the installation and stuff like that, we get to test for power, because while, you know, it might be a huge establishment and all these other things, power might take a while to get to some of these different kiosks, which can also prove a little bit troublesome, because then they have to, you know, get power there. We can't complete this installation until we know that this is up and running and everything else is going properly. While we could configure these devices elsewhere and place them, you know, when it does have like a 5-day or, you know, however many day installation, you want to make sure that you discover these things on the first day, so that when it does come time, you guys are ready to roll, everything is good, and there's no problems, or, you know, everything doesn't, you know, everything kicks off without a hitch in it. So we were pretty thankful on this installation to be able to just go through all the motions, go to all the different various kiosks, get those all set up. We could do multiple units at a time, and then once those are set up, we can go forward and then move on to the next location.